think I'm going to entitle this video Stupid Beekeepers. And by stupid I mean, you can hear them flying around me. I'll try to find you can see them flying because I just got through weed eating. Just got through pulling mid-May honey. Sorry, the pollen's killing me. But the reason I'm calling it stupid beekeeping, about 3 years ago, had a beekeeper buy some packages from South Georgia. Got them home. I think she bought 3. And at the time, I thought I was the only one out here in these coves. I've been out here about 8 or 9 years. But the sad thing is, as you come up the road to this cove, there's a cove that shoots off that way. About 1.5 miles, 1.75 miles away is where she had her bees. Bought them South Georgia packages. Some of them can be nice, some of them can't. These turned out to be hellions. And I'll try to link the video in the description, I think of it, to show where I used to work this yard in pants and a t-shirt, sometimes without a veil, sometimes with a veil. Now, I am having to wear, except for those 2 hives down there on the end, the 2 top ones, the 2 big ones. Those are just as gentle as can be. Of course, I brought new queens from the house up here last year. That's what's going to, well, we'll nickname this yard the foul-mouthed beekeeper yard, because he loves the hot girls and they're hot. Turn the camera around, you can see all the ones that, and this is nothing compared to what it was when I was pulling honey. But the point is, if you're going to be inconsiderate to your fellow beekeepers, because she knew I had bees down here. Didn't even approach me to find out if I sold bees or anything. Brought those in. Once they got big, they became massively aggressive, and it's ruined the gene pool in these 2 coves. So Fred is going to get, well, that other big one up there on that one was not too bad, but he's going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 queens, because he's going to be making splits and after he pulls his honey after sourwood. And I'm going to give him all 6 of these queens and bring my gentle queens up here and try to tone this place down, because she was in bees 2 years and jumped out. And now I've been left to deal with the fallout. So beekeepers, be considerate. If you have aggressive bees and you know you have somebody close to you that has gentle bees, let them know. Because there's nothing like, I found out the hard way. I came down here in pants and t-shirt. Thank goodness I had a veil on that about 3 years ago. Popped the hive and here they come out on me. So that obviously told me that my bees had swarmed, and when they got mated with drones from that inconsiderate beekeeper. So yeah, that's my rant for now. I just don't understand people. So self-centered and don't care about anybody else. And they leave us, the ones that stick with it, for the fallout. You guys watched my videos before, you know I hate putting on a jacket. I hate putting on pants to work bees. I was working the ones at the house in shorts and t-shirt, no veil, and no shoes the other day. Putting supers on. But that's my rant. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and be considerate to your fellow beekeeper. Like, share, and subscribe, guys.